In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows Security Center message is turned off or missing. Now what we want to do is we want to head up to services, and this is really quick to fix. So just come in here, press anywhere and press W. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find Windows Management Instrumentation right here. What you want to do is you want to double click on this one, set it to automatic, apply OK, and then right click, restart. Just press yes here, should be fine, and wait for this to restart. Now this is gonna take a few seconds, and after you've restarted it, what you want to do is you want to close this one down and then restart the PC by pressing on the restart button and not on shutdown. So make sure you click restart right here and just let it restart. After that, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.